So I'm still on the Zero. I hope you enjoyed the test ride. If you haven't looked at my test ride of it, video will come up on one of the cards now. Such a nice bike. It really is so nice. It's a doggy. It's a doggy. I still don't know if I'd own one. I don't think I'd own one at all at the moment, but I think a lot of it is the price. If they were about half the price, you know, and obviously it's because I don't have the money for one. Maybe if I had the money for one, it might be different. I'd be like, yeah, fuck it, I'll buy it. But I really can see the appeal. I can really see why people buy them. But as you can see, the Gorilla Biker is in front of me. What would Grant do is behind me. We're going off now for a little spin, drop these back, get on our own bikes. We're going up to get the Gorilla Biker a new tyre. He needs a new rear tyre on his bike. What are we talking about?
His bike is class. That's why we make noise.
I feel really left out. I feel all left out. No. Oh, what's that? Oh, I didn't even know I had that. I didn't even know my hazards and my horn was. That's fucking. My hazards are there. Oh, that's class. Like, it's so nice. It's so nice. Oh fuck. It's so nice just being able to go with one hand.